Hello everyone. So let's start today's topic, clinical trials. So the clinical trials are the essential in the field of medicines and healthcare to evaluate the safety and efficacy of a new treatment, medications, medical devices and the interventions. So these trials follow a structured process with distinct phases to ensure that the product or a treatment being tested is both safe and effective before it can be approved for the widespread use. So the clinical trial are research studies involving human participants. They aim to answer specific questions about the safety, efficacy, and side effects of a new medical interventions or a treatment or a medical treatment. These trials are conducted under the supervision of medical professionals and are typically sponsored by the pharmaceutical companies, government agency, or the academic institutions. So, let's talk about the phases of clinical trials. Clinical trials are typically divided into four phases, each serving a specific purpose in the development of a new medical interventions. So, first is the phase one. There are four stages: phase one, phase two, phase three, and phase four. So, talk about the phase one. Phase one means safety and dosage. It is the initial phase. A small group of healthy volunteers, usually 80 to 100 individuals, is involved. The primary goal is to determine the safety of the treatment and find the appropriate dosage. Researchers closely monitor participants for the adverse effect and gather information about how the drug or intervention is processed in the body. Then the phase two, efficacy and side effects. Once safety is established, two trial involve a larger group of participants, often patients with the condition targeted by the treatment, typically several hundreds. Researchers assess the treatment's effectiveness in the treating the conditions or a disease and continue to the monitor for side effects. Then the phase 3. Phase 3 means a large scale testing. Phase 3 trials are large scale studies involving the hundred to thousands of participants. The focus is on confirming the treatment's efficacy, monitoring side effects, and the comparing it to existing standard treatments or placebos. This phase provides crucial data for the regulatory approvals. Then the phase 4 trial. Phase 4 trial means the post marketing surveillance. After a treatment or interventions is approved and on the market, phase 4 trials continue to monitor its long term efficacy and safety in a larger, more diverse patient population. This phase 4 post marketing surveillance trials can uncover rare side effects and provide additional real world data. So, these are all about the clinical trials and the phases of clinical trials. It is important to note that the clinical trials are a crucial part of advancing medical knowledge and improving healthcare, but they must be conducted with utmost care and adherence to ethical and scientific standards to protect the participants and ensures reliable results. So, this is all about the clinical trials and phases of clinical trials. Thank you.